Naiyak ako.
Sleep not in peace. There are 1,000 waters to be spun, 1,000 mountains to be crossed, 1,000 crosses to be borne. Our shoulders are not strong. Our views are compacted with defenders.
With dependence?
Yes, with defenders. Small breeze under another tree.
1, 2, 3, go.
Rest not in peace. Not yet! We shall not yet! The land has been of younger, and one younger than your own. Forever spin in the great name of freedom. Forever obey to God of the free.
Not you alone, Rizal!
Arise! 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 And arise! 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 And arise! 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 Arise and join the land! Share once again your breathing blood. Infuse the vibrant red into our clean and living veins. Until we become your committee and loose and strong. Out of the timeless matrix of your faith, in us, and on the silent cliffs of freedom, we are for all time your memorial dream. Until our people, sleeping, are become like a beloved. Fear! Resilient! Surge! Rising on the inside! Unafraid! Strong in soul fiber! Yes!
Yes! Yes!
Yes! Like a beloved! Not yet! It's not yet! The glory hour will come! Out of the silent dream! 7,000 old silence!
Fight for our country! Fuego!
We shall emerge! Saved! We are Filipinos!